Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you have problems with headlights not working, we'll explain where the relay for the headlights is located, guys. All that will be covered in this video today. We'll explain how to test the relay, and if the headlights still do not work, what to look for, guys, because it could be something completely different. So very helpful information will be shared. Make sure to stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage will be making at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On Dodge Challenger we'll have even more. We'll be taking completely apart engines, transmission, we'll be fixing almost anything, guys. And if you have any questions or you want to see a specific video, just drop a comment below. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. If you need to buy any parts for your Dodge, fuses, relays for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can save a ton of money. So specifically we have that Dodge Challenger here, guys. That is a 2018 model V6 engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure will be the same. Now the relay that we'll be showing you, guys, some of you may not have it, and we'll explain why. This is the fuse box. How do you open it? One tab here, one here. You squish, open, pull to the side. That layout here corresponds to what we have specifically here. You will, guys, have two relays that you need to check, and you may not have both of them. We will explain why. One of them for the left headlight will be relay number 46. That relay right here, it's missing, okay, but don't freak out. And then we have one more that's for the right headlights, which is known as a relay 65, this one here. So these two relays are for the headlights, guys. But why they're missing? Because they're for HID headlights. We do not have HID headlights, guys. If you have HID headlights, that's the one that you need to check. Now if you guys have regular headlights, you practically, guys, do not have a headlight relay. Your computer, okay, is your relay, and if something shorts out, you will, guys, need to do a reset, and we have a special video that explains why headlight does not work on that Challenger, and it will teach you how to do that in case you have that problem. If you need to buy relays, we'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get them from for a good price. And another thing, you can, guys, see how to test the relay in a really easy way. I'll put the link as well. Thank you for watching, and see you guys next time.